Hey, look at these. This is a mango in the greenhouse. Look at the leaves. It's so dirty. So what I am going to do is try to clean it up. And so very easy. Just gonna use dishwasher soap and water. That's it. And then loofah sponge here. So this is a dishwasher soap, loofah sponge, and I'm just gonna clean it. So let's get started. And I'm just gonna get it wet with the soap, and then I'm just gonna scrub it with the sponge. You know, just come off easily. Okay, see? See how dirty that is. Okay, so see, it looks much better. So here's the one that I just scrubbed and cleaned, and this one not yet. So this one, you see, there's a sooty mold, and you can see also there's scales on it too on this one. So as I'm scrubbing it, the scales will also come off. See that? You see how dirty this one is? There's these scales and also. So the other thing is I just grafted this one too. So I wrote it here, the label on the leaves. So as I was cleaning it, surprisingly, you know, there's a marker here. It didn't come off, but the scales and the sooty molds did come off. So that works really well. See this one here too. See the label? And this one too. This label here. So I don't know. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at the scale. So I'll be cleaning that up. And I just basically got some, purchased some cuttings. So looks like this one might be pushing it. And what's this? This one is Langra something. So let's see. See that? Let's focus that. See. This might be pushing it, so might be taking it, so I don't know. But so here is bottle of soap while I'm scrubbing. After I finish scrubbing, and what I want to do, what I do is I basically have this bottle of water at the same time, you know, basically rinse it after I'm done scrubbing, so that way it doesn't get dried out, you know, and the dirt sticks on it. So immediately wash it off after I'm done scrubbing it. So and you see the difference. So the other thing is, I guess I do this once a year to clean it up, the leaves, because that way it will have a good, better photosynthesis, synthesizing you know, for the leaves. Will have a, you know, better chance of getting more sunlight and photosynthesizing for the plant through the leaves. So sometimes when you purchase a tree from Florida, they ship you a tree that looks a little bit similar to this, you know, with the black 3-mo on it. No big deal. Just basically, you know, do what I do. Basically get a sponge and wash it with some soap. And because it's basically not a bacteria, so it's just a sooty mold. And it happens because the bugs, you know, they basically cause that problem. So there's a lot of bugs in the greenhouse, so I think that's what happened. See, looks clean now. So this is a graph. I graphed this one. This is a Langrad Banashe. So let's see how that's gonna do. Just recently just graphed it. So, you know, this is not a bacteria or anything, so it's pretty normal. Doesn't hurt the plant, other than the fact that it causes decreases in photosynthesis of the leaves. So this will basically help improve photosynthesis for the tree. So see, I think so. This is just one side of the tree. So I'll continue tomorrow with the rest of it. But overall, I think it's looking really good now. See, it's all clean. Oh, make sure that you also rub the underside of the leaves too, because the bugs, they love the underside of the leaves. So do that as well. And you know, no chemicals needed, just soap and water, and that's it. So pretty clean, leaves pretty clean, you know.